everyone, welcome to Hey Ho Let's Tour. Just a quickie. We're at the Caravan. We've been doing some filming and looking and checking some other stuff out in the Caravan. We're about to go out on a little caravan trip, and
just local.
Just local. It's getting towards winter.
Yeah.
We tend to slow down a bit. We don't tend to go away as much during the winter and autumn months because it's a bit chillier and it's just a bit. I don't know. People don't, do they? Do you continue going away during the winter time? I know a lot of people do.
Yeah, I mean, we've got the Caravan and we'd like to use it as much as we can. So I don't see why there's any reason why you can't go away.
Somebody gets really cold all the time.
I do, but the great thing about the sites is obviously most of the electric's included when you're booking your site fees. So actually, you can just put it on as much as you want.
Stick the heating on full whack. It's probably cheaper than being at home.
Yeah. So actually, but we were just thinking, you know, if you are one of those caravanners that caravans the whole season all the way through Christmas into spring, you know, is there anything you should be looking out for at a site? Is there a particular site you'd book, like just hard standing, or, you know, that's something we're interested in finding a bit more about, aren't we?
Yeah. So we're just got a few things ready, and we've got the carpets for the Caravan. They're being delivered, and we're not sure whether to put them down for the winter or not.
Yeah.
So we're in two minds about that.
But it does make sense, doesn't it? I mean, like, obviously it makes it a bit more cosy and it makes it warmer in the Caravan.
But there's always that danger of treading in some more muck.
Yeah. Brand new carpet.
We're going to have to try and find some sites as well. If anybody knows any sites in East Yorkshire that is good for winter visits, that's good, especially for kids with indoor play areas and stuff like that, because it's a bit harder to play outside, isn't it?
Yeah.
So if anybody's got any ideas, anyway, it's just a quick update to say, you know, we're going away, we're going to do some filming, we're going to do all the usual stuff, but you know what to do.
Make sure to like, subscribe, do all the good stuff, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Bye!
Bye!